Okay, y'all. DoorDash driver runs into her dasher's home to get away from ICE agents. This one right here, it gets sad. So if y'all are not, how I'm gonna say, you may be a little annoyed about this one, y'all. So let's get to it, y'all.
Fine, but I don't want to open the door if they don't have a warrant. Because this was my DoorDash lady. I don't even know the lady. She just ran to my house.
All right.
I have a baby here. Like, I really don't know what to do. I'll open the door if the police, say that I have to open the door, but like, I don't know what to do. This lady just was shot yesterday. Now I ordered fucking food and there's people outside my fucking house.
Cheyenne, I'm on my way, okay? All
What
right.
do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I'm so scared. James, come downstairs.
Cheyenne.
What? I literally ordered DoorDash and now there's ICE agents around my house because the lady ran in my house and I don't know what to do because I don't know. They have no warrant.
Right.
They have no warrant. They said that they were going to get one. I don't know what to do. I called the police. The police are on their way. I can't ignore it. I have a baby here and they have guns pointing everywhere in my house. I have some random lady in my house. I have my child barricaded.
They're looking at our backyard too.
They're looking at everything. They're everywhere. All because I ordered some fucking DoorDash food.
They left the dog outside. I just noticed that.
I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have a fucking heart attack. This is the lady's license plate. They already took someone out of her car. I called the police. The police are on their way. I asked for a warrant. I just fucking ordered some fucking food and then some lady ran in my house.
The DoorDash lady ran in our house. This dude just has his hand on his gun, just fucking chilling.
Cowards.
I don't want them to come in my house.
I don't blame her. And I wouldn't either.
Even if they get the warrant, they're coming in your house. They're not going to leave. So we need to come up with a solution to do this peacefully, right?
Oh my god.
I own this property.
Oh my god. I need to hold on. My neighbor's calling. Hold on. Hello? Yes.
They said they're gonna get a warrant to come in here because we ordered some DoorDash and some lady ran in our house. So now we don't know what to do. I don't think the police are gonna do anything because I don't know what to do.
Man, him standing at that door would have pissed me off, man. Hold on that gun. I'm a. What?
I don't know what to do, man. This is scary.
It's gonna get worse, dude. You don't even know her.
Can I just get a warrant? I just want a warrant, man. I got my child in here. This shit happened yesterday, and
If you give her to us, nothing happens. If we wait, it's gonna get worse. Our SWAT team's gonna come. We have an active warrant for this person. Why do you make it worse? We don't want to deal with nothing with you.
Do you have your ID?
You ain't coming in my house.
She said she has her ID on her.
Yeah, we already run the place. We've identified her. We saw her.
Hold on.
Her name's Sylvia. We're looking for her.
Okay. If you put your hand off, take your fucking hand. Stop. Okay. If I open this door, one, you're not coming in my house. I will give you her. This is her ID.
Right.
She is a U.S. citizen.
U.S. citizen.
This was my fucking DoorDash. The fact that you guys are tormenting. I'm Native American. My fucking family already died for y'all to work here. Hung by Abraham motherfucking Lincoln. 38 plus 2. So the fact that y'all are on a Native American's fucking house is pissing me the fuck off. I will open this fucking door when I have the fucking decency to open
Stand your
door.
ground, shorty.
Since you guys are pointing fucking guns at me.
Stand your
I
ground.
will fucking open it. But you guys are not coming in my house. You guys will not shoot anybody. You did yesterday.
And you had your hand on your gun this whole time you've been here.
You had your hand on your gun the entire time.
We have it all right here. You're fucking live.
Get off my yard and I will open the door to let her out. Go up to the car, because I don't feel comfortable I have a 2-year-old. I have a 1.5-year-old baby. I have 3 more in school.
Mama Bear ain't playing, boy. Let me tell you something.
Hey, Cheyenne, this is Commander Hinky with the Sheriff's Office calling you.
Yeah?
So, I understand that you're fighting right now.
I'm gonna
So,
move out.
I'm going to, but move.
Please.
you have 2 options, right? So either let the paramedics come in and take care of
No, don't let him in. Hell no.
from the sheriff's office is gonna show up there, because that's all I can tell you. I would just be able to tell you the same thing in person.
Okay, but what do I do?
Well, I think that choice is up to you. You have those. I mean, those are your 2 options.
Just
Right?
saying they'll charge us.
You need to come with me. Come
We
on.
can't. I have family.
Come on.
I'm sorry.
You need to come with me, ma'am. Come
There's
on.
nothing we can do.
Come on.
There's nothing
on.
we can do.
Come on. Just come on. Ma'am,
She
I'm
put them in
so
a bad
sorry.
predicament.
I don't want to do this. Come on.
Unfortunately. She just won. And she's a citizen. I mean, not a
don't know
citizen.
what to
She's
do.
legal to be in the
I'm Native
country.
American. This is against everything I stand for. What the fuck do I do, man? I need you to come up.
I'm sorry.
Ma'am, I need you. Come on. I can't. Don't. No guns. No shooting
guns.
anybody. No shooting anybody.
It's okay. No guns. No guns. No nothing.
I'm so sorry. I don't know what to do. I'm so sorry.
Damn, this is so sad.
I have TikTok followers. I have this going on my TikTok. I have 11,000 followers. I will let everybody. What is your name?
Past that
What
now.
is your name? What is your name? Let me see. What's your name? Okay, ma'am. The police said I have to let you go. Ma'am. I don't know what to do. No, ya me van a
They won't hear you. They won't hear you.
How could you do this to your own fucking people? That's insane. I don't fucking care. Y'all didn't have no fucking warrant.
Just give her some time.
Just give her some fucking time. Y'all just shot someone in Minnesota. I ordered DoorDash. My fucking DoorDash. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm Native American. Get the fuck off my yard until she comes that way. You don't even have a fucking warrant. But I'm not gonna go to fucking jail because y'all pieces of shit ain't got nothing better to do because your wife still wanna suck your fucking dick.
Pussy. Stand on it, shorty.
Fucking puta. Pendejo.
Maricón.
No, eso es mentira, ustedes lo separan de las familias. Digo, mis 2 niñas solas.
They already took her kid. I don't know what to do. I have a baby. They were literally telling me that if I don't, the cops were even telling me that if I don't open the door, they'll literally charge me with harboring. I don't know what to do. Come here, ma'am. Come here.
You and your family, okay?
I ordered
Exactly.
DoorDash. This lady
Make
ran
the best
into my
interest
house.
within you and your
They don't
family.
have a warrant, but they told me I was going to be charged with harboring.
They were gonna break down my door.
They were gonna break down my door. I already did. The police told me to give them up to her,
the police are saying we can't keep her in here.
Tengo mis niñas solas, por favor, aunque sea.
She's
que
from
yo me las
Minnesota.
quede.
She has a Minnesota license.
And how are you
Her
guys gonna
plate
wear the
is
police
Minnesotan.
symbol if you guys aren't police?
You're literally talking to her in Spanish. I hope they turn on you and take your family, because that's what you're doing to people.
Exactly.
You're separating families.
They took her kid I don't know what to do. My baby's inside. I did call the police. The police told me that
are gonna help
they told us that we have to open the door.
We have two
or
options: get charged with harboring or fucking release her.
The police should be on their way, but I don't know
And
what
why
to
don't
do.
you guys have a search warrant?
Where? Where is it? Where's the paper?
Show me federal judge
Where's the paper? Where's the warrant, guys?
Fucking warrant! First off!
Do shit without a warrant. Definitely can't do shit without a warrant. Can't just run up in the people's house.
No, I don't give ICE.
And then you trying to detain other people
This is our property!
on their property.
This property.
I own this property!
I told you guys multiple times, if you don't have a warrant, you're not able to access in my house. I took law course, I know. I'm not fucking stupid. Good, she's terrified. You're in an ice suit. How are you gonna reassure her?
No, es mentira. Ustedes los separan de los babies. No.
I don't know what to do.
Yo me voy con mis niños, es lo único.
I called the police, but I don't know what to do. A woman was just killed in Minnesota yesterday from you guys, and you guys think that we're gonna just take this shit lightly? Literally, you just shot and killed someone yesterday,
The day
and
after.
You can put on your shit and go to work, and that shit just sits right with you?
Nope. I mean, yeah.
What the fuck is wrong with you guys? You guys
But they cowards because they got masks on. They never show their face. I'm surprised that one showed.
My family got killed. Native Americans got killed for you guys to put on that fucking shit? Bullshit.
No, mis hijos, yo me voy con
Fucking
mis niñas,
bullshit.
yo me voy sin mis niñas.
So nowadays we can't order DoorDash without ICE showing up to our house, right? I have a baby! A baby!
And she done brought the baby outside and everything.
Until you guys have a warrant signed, get off my fucking property now!
Right.
Now!
Right. And y'all know y'all ain't getting one no time soon.
I want a signed paper! You don't come near my house because you're the one that has your hand on the gun the whole time! I have it all on video! I have 11,000 TikTokers right now! 11,000 TikTok followers that I have! 11,000 followers I have on fucking TikTok!
You guys aren't
Get
wanted
the
here!
fuck off my yard until you have a judge's signature!
Off my property!
Get their asses the fuck out of there. Look at them.
I hope you guys.
Ooh, I love how they stood on it. Because they knew they was wrong.
Come back to my fucking house. Because I will sue you. I will sue the fuck out of every one of you. You don't know who the fuck I am. Remember that.
You don't even deserve a police vest, motherfucker!
Where's your badge? You ain't got one.
Where's your papers? Where's your badge?
You guys are illegal
Why
on
are you
stolen
hiding your
land. You guys are illegal on stolen fucking land. Illegal on native fucking land. I am Midwakatin Dakota. Midwakatin Dakota. Do you know what that means? I am not illegal.
I don't know, but it made me, it went through my veins.
Out of here.
I don't know what she said.
Get out.
I love this, man. I love how they stood on it.
4.9 fucking.
I love how they stood on everything that they knew. I love how they did not just give this woman up. Now, I know y'all wondering why did ICE just leave and leave the woman there? Well, this is the update. And the update lets us know exactly who they actually came for. And they thought they were being slick. And I'm kind of glad that that lady did run into this person's house. Like whoever, like it was God meant for her to get that DoorDash to that house. Sounds crazy, but it ain't. That was divine for sure, because they would have both been taken into custody for sure. whether she was a citizen or not, they probably would have tried to send her back to wherever she came from. For sure. So let's get to it.
Update you guys the best I can right now. My brain is shot. I just want to answer some questions that I can think of. And then another time when I'm actually processed what the fuck just happened, I'll talk about it more. So, first and foremost, the lady is safe. I know a lot of you guys were wondering. She's safe. That's all I'm going to say, due to her safety.
Right.
You know.
Shout out to her.
The person that they pulled out of the car was her husband. I didn't see this at the time because I was putting my groceries inside and I was at my table. So when she had already ran in my house, that's when they were taking her husband. But I didn't see. So I just assumed that it was her kid because when I'd seen them in the car, she kind of looked smaller. Anyways, I'll explain this another time. There was a group of people out there helping me, and I want to say thank you so much to those bystanders that show up, because honestly, I don't know if I could have done it without them. That was a really scary situation, and all I could think about was if I don't open this door, there's a 50-50 chance that they're going to barge in here and shoot me in front of my child.
They probably would have tried it, for sure.
So ultimately, that's what made me not want to open the door. And then when you have officers threatening you, that just scares you, and yeah, it's insane. And I don't think anyone will really understand how anyone feels until you're put in that position.
You feel like a black person.
Enough about me. Going back to the lady. Her husband's name is Brandon Stephen Sayens. His last name is spelled Saenc. Brandon Stephen Sayens. Probably saying the last name wrong. But that's how it's spelled. I asked someone that was there that day, because some people have been in contact with her for her safety reasons. I didn't want to be, just in case the less information I have, the better. So,
oh, wow.
I just asked the person, is there anything, she wants to say to you guys that have watched what has happened. And she said, we have never committed crimes and are good people. And I think that one right there just really fucking hurt. Because, what the fuck? I don't know. I'm still in a lot of shock. So, I don't know if I'll be posting as much. Maybe. I just gotta process a lot of shit. And yeah.
That was a lot.
I just wanted to update you guys on her.
Yeah.
But if you guys can find any updates about her husband, that would be great. We sent her an immigration lawyer. So yeah, we are in contact with her and trying to definitely help her.
Man, let me tell y'all, super huge shout out to these folks, especially this young lady here. Her bravery should be commended through and through. Of course, it's not going to be by any government officials, anything like that. But for us, from the people, we thank you for standing on your ground, because she wasn't illegal. Maybe her husband was. But even if her husband is illegal or was, or whatever the case may be, they're trying. They're literally doing DoorDash. They're doing whatever they didn't come here to rob and pillage, it don't seem. They look like they're hardworking people that just want to make something out of their life. It looked like they probably were doing it as a team. And they would have took both of them away from whatever they have going on or build. And I'm sure those people have families. And what I mean by families, a close-knit family in the sense of children. Whether they're there here with them in America or wherever they come from. As a first generation born in this country, my family comes from Jamaica. It breaks my heart to see what's going on. Especially for the people that actually come here to try to make something of themselves. We're not talking about the people that, are coming here and are raping and pillaging and doing all this off the wall stuff. Most people come to America because they want a better life of what they weren't getting in their country. A lot of people don't have certain resources. A lot of people don't, right away get their papers or whatever the case may be. They got to work up to those things. And I try not to overthink this whole thing. But when you start seeing all of these type of videos, when they're running up on roofs and, guys up there on the roof, putting up shingles or building a roof for a house or whatever the case may be, and you got ICE agents out there with their gun on the roof. There's no way for these people to go, and it's already a dangerous job. And you on the roof pointing your gun at a person on a construction site. These people are on a construction site. They're helping to build the country. This is just my opinion. I'm sure there's going to be some leftists and all these other people that's going to come up and say some off the wall foolishness. Cool. That's on y'all. This is my opinion. So I don't give a fuck. As Americans, we're allowed to go to other countries and do certain things. A lot of times without visas. I get it. I get there's an abundance of people here that they claim came here either illegally or whatever case may be. But a lot of people cannot come here legally because listen, before my brother passed away, my brother was trying to come to America. And before he actually came, I remember my mother giving him about $1,000 to go to the police station and get his record cleared because he had got locked up for like some weed or something crazy like that. Something off the wall, something simple. But it was hindering him from getting his visa to come to America. Would eventually he wound up getting his green card. But however that story went, he spent the money. That happened. He didn't get his background clear, so my mother had to send him some more money. That was a whole nother thing. $1,000 is a lot of money, especially back then in Jamaica, right? And I remember my mom have to come to me to help her get my brother here. And if I didn't put my name on the papers to file for him to get here, because that's how you got it, that's how you come into America, my brother wouldn't have been here. Like, because when you file for someone, you have to prove that you're capable and able to take care of them financially, because they're coming here with no resources. They're coming here with no job unless they in some work exchange program or some foolishness. But for the most part, most people come here with no job, no none of that. Luckily, my brother came here, slept with a woman the same night, which so happened to be my mother's friend at the time. Wound up getting her pregnant at the same day he got here. Literally the same day he got here. He was here for like a few hours. Slept with her on my mom's porch. She wound up filling out all the applications for him. And he wound up got to get the job at Bayview. And he stayed there for Bayview, John Hopkins in Baltimore. And he wound up staying there for about 10, 11 years until he went somewhere else. And then my brother wound up passing away, which is a whole nother story. God rest his soul. So it's a lot, man. And there's people that come here in so many other different ways. Like my dad came here, he just showed up out of nowhere. My grandmother was just like, "Yo, what are you doing here? Like, how did you get here?" To this day, it's still vague how my father got here. I know how my mom got here. I kind of wanted her to tell her story. But again, shout out to this young lady, her family. Man, when she spoke those native words, whatever that language she was speaking of her native culture, or I don't know how to even describe it. Man, I felt that. Like, I felt it in my veins. I felt that it was almost like I got goosebumps almost. The ICE agents knew they was dead ass wrong. They knew they was dead wrong. They got who they were coming for. They just seen another body. Let's wrap them up. Boom. We got two. You get what I'm saying? They just this is not going to end well, y'all. By the end of 2026, I can honestly say it's going to go past protesting. I really truly believe there's going to be people that are going to try to harm these HSA or ICE agents or whatever you want to call it. I really believe that. I'm not saying it's a fact. I'm just saying I the way it's going and the way I see the uprise and the uproar of people and how people are not taking this. And I agree with it. I agree with Doug. This is not cool. There has to be another way. But anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit the notification bell, man, because Yeah. I thought the music was playing behind me the whole time. I had it on mute. Damn.